G'day and welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me. We all know the well-worn story about seagulls. They're annoying pests at the beach, always trying to steal our food, squawking incessantly and generally being a bit of a pain in the butt. But I reckon most people have it wrong. Seagulls, and in particular the Australian silver gull, are awesome birds. Their perfect white feathered heads morphing into silver grey wings with black tips, throw in red bill and legs and eye, and you have yourself a really cool bird. If they were rare, we'd be putting them on trinkets and selling them to tourists like koalas. And if that doesn't persuade you, they also like to dance. Enjoy.